Hi everyone, Ate Myra here for today's video. This is po a video request by Ninyo Maestro. Matagal niyo na po itong request pero ngayon ko lang po talaga nagawa ng video. So, Ninyo, I hope you're watching and ito na yung video for you. Pero anyway guys, how to use Gcash MasterCard to shop in stores. Same is true po kapag ginagamit po natin yung PayMaya card natin or debit or credit card. Same process lang po. So anyway, if you're interested, please keep on watching. Guys, before we start, please make sure na nakasubscribe ka na sa channel natin. Also, please like and comment down below guys ano po yung mga videos na gusto nyo makita sa channel natin. Anyway, proceed na tayo sa video. Yung view ko ngayon guys, hulaan nyo kung nasan kami. Pero anyway, ayong USSC guys, dyan po ako kumukuha ng YouTube sahod ko. So, nasa mga inasal kami, obvious naman, ano. Pero as you can see guys, ang konti lang ng tao. Ubos yung pera nung December, ano. Anyway, ayan. So, naka-PM2 at saka bango sisig lang kami. As you can see, let's eat guys. Lunchtime na kasi, medyo gutom na rin. So, that's our lunch for today. Kain tayo. Gusto ko nga actually maghalo-halo guys. Kaso, alam nyo na yung voice ko. And at the same time, medyo maulan po talaga dito sa amin ngayon. Hindi masyadong maganda yung panahon. Anyway, how about there guys? Kumusta yung panahon dyan sa inyo? Okay lang ba? Kain tayo guys. And fun fact guys, gustong gusto ko po talaga ng french fries. So as you can see, ayan po. So I know hindi siya healthy guys, pero talagang hirap talagang pigilan minsan, ano? Anyway, kayo, gusto niyo ba ng french fries guys? Anong french fries po yung gusto niyo? Yung french fries ng Jollibee, KFC, or McDo? Nasa tatlo lang guys ha. Comment down below. Kain tayo. Ayan yung husband ko. And, burp. We're full. And also, guys, yan guys, buto lang yan guys para sa mga doggies. So, done na kaming mag-grocery guys. Hindi ko napapakita kasi sa sobrang dami ng gusto namin, ng binili namin. Yan pala, hindi sa amin yan, okay? FYI lang. Sobrang konti lang ng binili na namin guys, mga 5 items lang. And gagamitin natin yung ating Gcash MasterCard sa pagbabayad po dito. Ayan, yun lang yung binili namin. So, gagawin natin guys para magamit nyo yung inyong Gcash MasterCard. Of course, don't forget your PIN number. So, ayan. Ini-enter nyo po yung amount na binili po natin. And then after that, they will ask you kung savings or current. Sabihin nyo po savings. Don't forget. And then, i-enter mo po yung inyong PIN. Tapos, ayan, enter nyo po or i-tap nyo po yung green kapag tapos na po kayong mag-enter. Pag once na approved na po yan guys, lalabas na po yung receipt. That means it's approved. Nabawasan na po yung inyong Gcash wallet. So, that's successful guys. And that's how easy it is to use Gcash MasterCard. Hindi lang yan sa Gcash MasterCard, even PayMaya, Visa card, or kahit anong card po, even credit card or debit card, pwede po yan. So, that's just the way it is. So, ayan, uwi na tayo. Done na for today. And mode of transportation pala dito sa amin, guys, tricycle. So, anyway, that's it for now, guys. Sana nakatulong ang video na to. And pasensya na sa medyo konting vlog lang. Kasi sa totoo lang, sobrang nakakahiya pa rin talagang mag-vlog. Yan lang yung nakayanan ko for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you next time. Bye!